welcome back to my channel Green Vibe Green Life. Happy New Year to all of you. And I know it's been so long since I've uploaded any video. I was just not getting much time to record any video. I was busy in my academics, then we were shifting, and I was just not getting much time. But from now I'll be regular. So let's come to the today's topic. Today's topic is about winter care of plants. I know it's the middle of the winter and some half of the winter is gone, but don't worry. I know some of the plant parents must be dealing with the problems like plants are not growing well, they are not looking good, leaves are they are dying, kind of situation are happening with them. But we can share winter care tips still, as some of the winter is left. So stay tuned with me for the more information about winter care. So let's talk about what's normal during winters. When plants stop growing or slow growth or looking unhappy and start dying, that dying is called dormancy. That means winter is happening and they are being suffering from winters. Let's talk about watering requirements of plants during winters. If in your area the temperature is still more than 20, then you can water your plants according to your old schedule. But if the temperature is below 20 or 10, it is as in North India and Central India, then you need to take care of watering, because houseplant soil mixture don't get dried out that easily if it's not sunny or the temperature is low. Then they will suffer from root rot. Now let's talk about fertilizer. You need to stop or minimize fertilizing your plants, and if you are fertilizing, then make sure that you are using organic fertilizer for your plants, because due to low temperature and low sunlight they are just low on photosynthesis and they don't perform well in winters, during winters. Now the next thing is tilling. You need to be very regular on tilling your plant soil, because the air circulation must be very regular, so that the health of the plant can be maintained. Now the next thing is sunlight. I've heard from many people that you need to bring all of your plants inside during the winters, but I think it's according to area where you are getting snow or wet during winters, and the temperature is 2 or 3 or 5, basically below 10, and you are not getting sunlight, the 0% of sunlight you're getting there. So in that condition it's fine, you can bring all your plants inside. But if you are getting sunlight, then it is really important to give all of your plants enough of sunlight during winters, because if no sunlight, no healthy plant. So sunlight is very important. If your area is getting much sunlight, enough sunlight, and the temperature is not low, below temperature, below 10-degree temperature, then you can keep your plants outside. Now talk about dormancy. Dormancy is a very natural and normal process. It seems like plants are dying, but actually they are not dying. So plants that have bulbs in their roots, they go through dormancy during the winters because of the very low temperature. According to their nature, like some plants don't survive below 10-degree temperature or 5-degree or negative temperature or extreme winter, they just don't survive in that situation, so they just go through dormancy. Okay, so don't worry about it. As winter ends, they will automatically come to life and they will be as healthy, happy and new as ever. So it's very normal and natural. And which plants go through dormancy? Mostly the plants which have bulbs in their roots go through dormancy. Now talk about repotting. There are so many myths about repotting during winters. They say you cannot repot during winters as the winter or low temperature can shock the roots of the plant that you are repotting. But I will say, if your plant is completely root bound or the roots are coming out of pot, then you need to repot it, because it will add extra growth to your plant, and already it's been suffering from winter, And if you don't report it during these conditions, like roots are coming out or completely root bound, then maybe it will double the burden on the plant. So you will just shift it to a next bigger pot without disturbing the roots. As it is, you can shift it to another pot. And yes, you can repot your plant during winter. So guys, that's all about winter care of plants. If you guys also know any winter care tips you perform to your plants, then you can share it to me in the comment section or email me. I will give my email ID in the description box. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will keep share my experience with you guys. So stay tuned with me.